Hello friends, welcome to the TechLegion channel. So friends, today I will talk about Jonespo Mode 3 mini-series Micro ATX PCJZ. So friend, Jonespo releases a rather unique looking Mode 3 mini-series Micro ATX compatible aluminum open frame PCJZs. And friend, there are two color options, white and grey. And friend, 4mm thick tempered glass panel on the both sides may enhance the illumination of the motherboard, graphics card, water cooling unit, and so on. And friend, furthermore, the front section include an addressable RGB LED with a 5-volt 3-pin connector. And friend, the chassis is composed of aluminum. The drive bay is 2.5 or 3.5 inch bay into one. Cooling fan is front 120 mm into 2, top 120 mm or 140 mm into 2. Expansion slot is 4 steps and each spectral space is 360 mm in length. Offer the graphics card a height of the CPU coolers 165 mm and depth of power supply unit up to 165 mm. And friend, Micro ATX, Mini ATX form factor are compatible. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.